This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It's August 4th, 2019. Been 7 days since we did the video on the giveaway for the bluvac Pro micron gauge. So we're gonna pick the winner today. It's Sunday. It's been 7 days, so I got quite a few hits, almost 800 hits on it, almost 800 comments, I should say. And we'll go over and we'll check out the video and we'll plug it into the random.org and pick a winner. Now, like I said when I did the video, the comment has to have Value Testers and bluvac in the comments. You can say whatever else you want, but that has to be in the comment. If it's not in the comment, you're not eligible to win. Also, U.S. residents only, I said, for the shipping, because Value Testers is the sponsor for the channel. They're the ones that sent me the equipment. They're the ones that are printing the shipping label, and that's what he had asked me, to make sure it's U.S. residents only, because Canada and overseas gets real expensive on the shipping part of it. All right, so U.S. residents only. Now, if you send me the information and you're from Canada or you're from overseas, I'm going to pick another winner. All right, so number three, third thing you got to do is respond with the winning channel. So in other words, whatever I pick for the channel, you have to respond through that channel. You're going to have 3 days to respond. You can see at number 6. Respond, and you just give me a partial address, maybe just like your street. So when you email me your information, I can make sure it's the right person. Okay? And then you can see my email down there. And what I need for you to do is I need you to email me your name, address, and phone number, because it is going to go out UPS. So I need that. And you're gonna have 3 days to respond. If I don't get a response within 3 days, I'll pick another winner. So this is what we're giving away. I'm gonna pick the winner for it, and hopefully you guys win. I get a lot of hits on it, and it's a nice little tool. Nice little tool to have. I'll tell you. I run bluvacs. That's what I run. All right, we'll go over and we'll set you up on my camera and we'll pick a winner. All right, guys. So I got the random.org YouTube picker. That's what we're gonna use. I'll go to my channel and we'll go to the video. Let's see which one it is. Creator Studios. We'll go in. I think there's 700 and something comments or something on it. Let's see what we got there right here. So the views were 1,381 views. I think I did it last Sunday, so I gave it like 7 days. There's 768 comments. Now, if it's double comments, obviously only one's gonna come up. So that's the video we're gonna do. We'll click on this bluvac Pro giveaway. Copy link address. We'll go up to that random.org again, and we'll punch in the random thing right here, paste. Okay, get comments, filter duplicate users. So in other words, it's gonna do if there's any duplicates. We did not enter the right URL. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go back and do it a different way. We'll take that out. We'll go back to YouTube. We'll go to my home page, and we'll do it from the home page. Okay, here it is right here. This is the video. So we'll click on it, copy link address. That's the video right there, and then question, right? We'll go back to the URL there, and we'll punch it in. Right click, paste. Get the comments. Here we go. Alright, so 746 comments. Right? Now we go down here to start. pick the raffle winner. And click on this. Like I said, you guys are it's gonna meet that criteria that we talked about. Alright, so this is the winner right here. Darryl Pittman. Value testers, bluvac. So he's eligible to win. Love the videos, great content. So that's the guy right there. I'm going to go back and look and see that, but that's the guy right there, the winner. He's got 3 days to respond. And if he don't respond or he's not in the United States, I'll pick another winner. And I got another video coming up. It's a leak detector. I'll be doing that probably in this week sometime, or next week. I'll do that one. Give it a little time. It's a Bacharach H10 Pro. The one that's battery operated. Nice leak detector. That'll be the next giveaway. Alright guys, thanks for watching.